You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
Oh, we've driven up to the Black Forest, Schwarzwald. It's been quite a good drive, hasn't it? We've done the Sunday thing again, haven't we? But so, up through Triberg and Schonak.
Yeah.
So, looks like there's a bit of thing going on. Who's got the world's official largest cuckoo clock? They'll have dogs in there, Les.
No, I don't.
Entrance that way. Is that right?
Yeah.
Or is this just showing entrance?
I think so. I don't think dogs
Oh, that's exit. So entrance up here. Yeah, so the world's largest cuckoo clock. We saw one just now, didn't we?
Yeah, this is the first one.
This is the original one, yeah. Been a great drive up through the forest. Went all the way. Well, we're nipping in and out of Germany and Austria at one stage as we made our way up towards Lake Constance, and we followed Lake Constance right the way up, and yeah, here we are. €2 you got? €2. Hello. €2. Okay. And dogs are not allowed. Hund. A Hund dog allowed. Yeah?
Ja, ja.
Oh, okay. So we have one more. At least you're allowed with dogs. I need another €2. Come on. I'll take the dog food and you pay. I've paid 2. If you pay 2 more, then we're good. The world's largest cuckoo clock. The original. You take her.
Mein Mann hat die große, Sie verstehen ja mich.
Sorry?
Sorry.
English?
Englisch, oh, mein Mann, mein Husband,
Yeah?
hat die große Glocke gemeldet.
Oh, you made it?
Yes, in the 3 years, in the free time.
3 years of his spare time.
Mein Mann, mein Husband ist Glocknäcker.
Ah.
Wir die Kuckucks machen wir alle selbst.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, so he makes them all.
Die große Glocke, die ist 43 years old.
Hang on, 40. How much is that?
43.
43 years.
Ja,
Oh.
mein
We're
Englisch ist
doing-
nicht gut.
Wow.
Rechts,
That's
in,
amazing.
rechts in der Uhr drin hängt dort so ein brauner Kasten. Das ist der Wald, das ist das Gericht.
Oh, yeah, yeah, what the weight? 70 kilo weight,
Mit
okay.
dem läuft die Uhr. Und ganz oben ist ein Kuckuck. Immer half passt
Ah,
auf.
that's the cookie.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I've passed the hour.
Das ist der.
Half past. That's soon.
Soll ich sagen?
So soon then, in a minute.
Half.
Half past.
Ja, half.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Das ist
That's the mechanism.
Ja, das ist der.
The model was based on that, so
yeah.
like this but a lot larger.
50 times bigger.
50 times bigger.
It is.
Scale.
And that's the original
Yes,
what he
yes,
worked on to
yeah.
make it. Wow.
Wow. That's amazing, isn't it?
That's excellent. What a talent. Really. can't wait to hear it.
I know.
It's just too warm.
Well, yes,
Very warm.
it's too hot. That's lovely. Okay, we'll go out and have a look and wait for it to go off.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sharon. Come on. She's in a rush. 50 times bigger, that little one is what you based it on. Joseph Dold, Shonak. Yeah. 43 years old. Wonder where her husband is now. Yeah, he makes them, all of them he makes by hand. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Well, that was interesting. And nice for her to sit and chat to us about that. Wait for it to go off now then. It's a lovely little set. The original largest. There's a bigger one up the road, but
Yeah. So we took the photos of.
found a tick on Dolly this morning. Swiftly removed that, didn't we?
We did. We done it.
Yeah, it was a horrible looking thing. Managed to get it out, all complete. That was good. Diesel's got something with his eye. You think it's like pollen?
Yeah, he's been rolling around in the pollen, hasn't he?
Come on. So what's this building as well? Did he make that as well?
I don't know. Probably where they live.
Yeah.
That is absolutely gorgeous building,
Yeah, it is.
isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
That is that little doggy hut.
Is that a seesaw over there? A
That
doggy hut.
there.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely surrounding, lovely setting
Yeah.
for it. Oh, that
gorgeous.
chair over there.
Yeah.
What is that meant to be?
Cherries,
Fruit?
isn't it?
Is it? Come on. Oh, lay down. Five minutes to go. I'll have a little walk around first, right?
Okay, yeah.
That might be his workshop actually. Everything made out of wood, look. Tractor. Luke. I wonder who Luke is in. We're going to drive back down through Triberg in a minute. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The world's largest original cuckoo clock. I think I've worked out what Luke is. I think it's the lawnmower that comes out, you know, the automatic ones, you switch it on and away it goes. Because yeah, this lawn looks like it gets cut quite a lot. And I reckon Luke does that. And that might be the old boy's workshop. Yeah. Well, that was the Cuckoo then.
Yeah.
It's all over in a flash, wasn't
It's lovely, isn't it?
it? Yeah, brilliant.
You like that picture?
I had to go back in there. I might buy something.
No. Why do you want to buy some?
A postcard, not a clock. I'm not spending €270. Don't worry. No? Okay, let's go. So yeah, that's the world's largest cuckoo clock.
Original.
Yeah. You blink, you miss it.
I don't think you missed the clock, it's just the cookie.
It's awesome. It's an amazing bit of carpentry and engineering that he's put together to do that. Yeah, excellent. Good work. And he built that as well, didn't he? You know he did.
must have done. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And he's a clockmaker,
The tractor and the plough.
not a
Yeah. Well, no.
carpenter.
No, he's no. Yeah. Yeah. These buildings. Yeah, this place is stunning. Can't wait for this. See cuckoo clocks. Teddy bears.